Hi guys, welcome back to tcnxty. This is Adnaan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, this video is being uploaded after a very long time. So let's see if we can be consistent again. College life is really hectic, and let's get started with the unboxing. And today we have Dell Inspiron 14, and when you look at the box, you have the key specs written on the left side. If you keep the box this way, it's on the right. So here are some key specs. I'm going to read it out for you. Dell Inspiron 14 2-in-1 model. I can't hold it straight 90 degrees because camera angle is not set. So display is 14 inches touch display with webcam. Performance, the processor is i5 11 Gen 55G7, 8GB memory and 512GB SSD with Intel Iris Xe graphics. Dedicated graphics, yeah, not that powerful but fine. Softwares, we have Windows 11 Home and some antivirus, and includes wireless Bluetooth, SD card, HDMI and USB Type-C, backlit keyboard and a fingerprint reader. So we also have 1 year warranty there mentioned there. So let's start with the unboxing. Stay subscribed, and sorry for being an inconsistent. Let's try uploading more videos. So for now, let me open the box and then just pull this out. We have this thing, some silica gel, and the charging adapter. I had just opened it a few minutes ago, and there is one power cable for the charger. Let's keep that aside as well, and let's check what's inside. There are more boxes. Let me pull this out. This is the case for the wires, a user manual, and let me have this handy, and then we will have to pull this out this way. So there is a warranty card, and then we have the laptop itself. So let me keep that aside and pull this out. This is the laptop, and inside we have other piece of cardboard, and the box is empty. So let me keep the whole box aside and let's come up to the laptop itself. We have a tape here. Let me just cut that open. Yeah, the tape is cut. Oh my god, but the laptop is open sideways. So that was a little waste. And on the rear side of the laptop, it's written Inspiron, and then some heat sinks there. And let me just open the front. Before that, let me show you what's on the sides. There is a USB cable, there is an SD card reader, there is one headphone jack, and on the other side there is one power cable, a Type-C adapter, maybe power cable or just a hinge. Yeah, just a hinge, and then HDMI port and USB cable, USB port. How many times did I mention cables? I don't know. Let me just open this up now, and as you can see, this is what do you call, Dell Inspiron 14 looks like. So this is protection, and over here there are a few key highlights: convertible laptop, 14-inch full HD WVA touch display, USB Type-C supported, webcam privacy shutter, precision touch keypad, touchpad, and Dell Cinema, Core i5 and Intel Iris, this thing mentioned there. So let me show you a little bit closely. A keyboard with a fingerprint sensor on this button, just to turn the laptop on easily, and a touch display which is also convertible, and then there's a webcam over here, a small one. Let me just try turning it on. If it has some power in it, or we'll have to charge it. So I guess it has no power. We will have to charge it up and then turn it on. So let me try turning it on, because I just plugged in the charger, and let me change the camera angle. So we just change the camera angle, and you can see the beautiful display. So guys, we are back and want to use your fingerprint to sign in faster and more securely. Yes, setup. Touch the fingerprint sensor. So let me touch it with the index. So it's a similar way where you set in your normal mobile phone's fingerprints. So the setup is done. Now we'll have to click on next. Got it. Now set up a pin. So let me just set up a pin real quick. So pin is set up. Let's click next. Click next, next. Let's customize your experience. Select all brands. Gaming, entertainment, school, creativity, and business. Almost everything. Click accept. Next. It's again checking for updates, so let's wait for some more time. And it says hi, hello, getting things ready for you. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. So let me just pause the recording again. It says almost there, and here we are inside the computer. So this is how you set up your PC. This is the new Dell Inspiron 14. So let me open up my PC and show you the properties of this thing. So here is the processor details, RAM, and few other things. We'll need to blur that, I guess. And yeah, this is what is the device all about. So let me just shut it down and restart it and show you the boot speed. So the shutdown is done. So meanwhile, let me just check out the power button and the fingerprint sensor as well. So just calculate 4, 5. I just need to scan my finger and boom, we are into the computer. Yeah, less than 10 seconds boot time, and that's it guys. This is all about the unboxing and the video. See you in the next one with the hidden features of Windows 11. Until then, stay subscribed. Goodbye.